telling everyone, like all girls, uh, you must have a goal in your life,
Mm-hmm.
and you should be passionate, enough कि मुझे ये चीज करनी है, and you should prepare yourself in such a way that once you join the academy. See, academy is not a hawa, first of all. People
Yes,
say
ma'am.
it is very tough. It is very, yeah, it is tough. Lot of hardships will be there inside once you join the academy. But वो पहले दिन में नहीं होता है सब कुछ. They prepare you for that. You go there, and it is step by step. It is a gradual process. जो academy भी करती है, it is all gradual. It's all gradual. They prepare you for this thing. But उससे पहले you need to prepare yourself. You need to introspect yourself. कि am I ready to overcome the hardships? Yeah, am I ready to face the challenges which would be there inside the academy? Training academy, basically they prepare you for the kind of work you will be allotted once you will become an officer. So
So,
that training academy basically उसके लिए होती है. So take a break from your worries and introspect, and and you must know that what exactly do you want from life. आपको ये चीज क्लियर होनी चाहिए, ये चीज पता होना चाहिए कि आपको जिंदगी से चाहिए क्या, या आप
mhm,
जिस प्रोफेशन के लिए जा रहे हो आपको वहां पे क्या करना है, आपको वहां से चाहिए क्या, राइट? जिस दिन
yes, yes.
आपको ये पता चल जाएगा, उस दिन आपके लिए कुछ भी करना नामुमकिन नहीं है. So you need to balance your mind, you need to balance your nervous system, you need to prepare your mind and body in such a way कि आपको, it is something like learning how to speak English.
Mm-hmm.
It is something like that. When you go and you start learning English, it is like you eat in English, you walk in English, you talk in English. तो वो चीज होती है. जितना जल्दी आप ये रियलिटी एक्सेप्ट कर लोगे कि मुझे फौज में जाना है, तो मुझे वैसा सा लाइफस्टाइल रखना है, मुझे मेंटली उतना स्ट्रांग होना है, इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू ओनली. तो माय बेसिक थिंग फॉर लेडीज वुड बी लाइक दिस. और लेडीज का क्या होता है, घर में दे आर रियली प्रोटेक्टेड, नो, बहुत
Mm-hmm.
ज्यादा एक फिर उसी में रहते हैं कि ककून से में रहते हैं, दे आर, एंड फ्यू प्लेसेस दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो आउट अलोन, हम बाहर जा नहीं सकते. बट यस, अब मेरे इसके कहने पर डोंट स्टार्ट बिहेविंग लाइक अ ही मैन और अ सुपरमैन. दैट इज लॉजिकली नॉट करेक्ट. तो आपको देखना है कि आपकी लिमिट कहाँ तक की है,
Mm-hmm.
and with analyze and with logical approach and logical thinking, आप मेरे ख्याल से कोई भी गोल अचीव कर सकते हो, इतना कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. लेडी ऑफिसर्स हैड बीन डूइंग इट. लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल मिताली मधुमिता, you must have heard about her. She is the first lady officer who got Sena medal when she was posted in Afghanistan. अगर मैम was there with me in my second place of posting, तो
Okay.
आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट हर. एंड जो मैंने भी अपने सीनियर से सीखा है बहुत कुछ.
Mm-hmm.
तो उनको मैंने जब देखा, एंड जब उनको सेना मेडल मिला था, तो मुझे उसमें कोई शक नहीं था. आई वाज लाइक कि ये इनको पक्का कुछ ना कुछ, ये कुछ तो ऐसा करेंगी.
Mm-hmm.
So being a lady, she did so many there are other examples also. Maybe it is Indian Army lady officers, or people from US or other countries. Ladies are there जिनको बहुत सारे awards मिले हैं, gallantry awards मिले हैं. ये कोई पहला वो नहीं है. एंड
Yes.
खैर फौज में थोड़ा डिले हो गया, अदरवाइज आई बिलीव लेडीज आर एट पार विद मेन, सो दे आर नो लेस.
Okay. All right. So
और
basically,
किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप वो पूछ लो, लाइक.
ma'am, I think all the questions worth asking, we have covered everything, especially because now questions are many. We'll take care of them in other sessions. This was specifically for NCC, for girls and lady cadets.
या.
So we have covered that, and it was a very inspiring session, ma'am. And girls, definitely everyone is saying that yeah, it's an inspiration for boys as well. So yeah, definitely. And so, ma'am, thanks for coming live with us and motivating and sharing your experiences. We will keep doing this. Maybe we'll do some other session also. And so it was for me also a pleasure with you.
या, सेम हियर, लाइक इट वाज माय फर्स्ट सेशन, एंड ये मुझे भूलेगा नहीं कभी. It was really nice, and very the kind of questions you were putting, they enhanced my knowledge also actually. So it was a
Yes.
learning for me also, and a great experience for me. And I really love my followers. मुझे सभी सभी से बहुत, मैं हर किसी को, I make an endeavor that I do reply to everyone. At times, I have a small son, 5-year-old, so I don't get time generally. But whenever I get time, I try to interact with everyone. Somebody is asking a question regarding NCC. Do they get permanent commission NCC entry? Yeah,
NCC and
yes, now they will be getting permanent commission. Any entry will be getting permanent commission if you talk about lady. I would like to address one question. Somebody asked me on Instagram
Mhm.
messages. I was not able to reply because I didn't have time that time. So
Okay.
if the viewer is there, she asked me regarding the
Yes, ma'am.
para. She asked me a question regarding the para, like do lady officers they get commissioned in para units? No, they don't. As of
Mhm.
now, they don't get commissioned in para units, but they can go for a probation.
Okay.
They go for a probation. Once they clear the probation test, they are certified, and they get that maroon beret. They can
Mhm.
wear the maroon beret. They have to clear certain jumps. Once they are through with those jumps, they are eligible for wearing that maroon beret. But they cannot be commissioned in para units as of now. It's not for ladies. Then
So that.
somebody asked me a question, yeah, regarding CMP.
Hmm.
Military police, yeah, they have started taking ladies in other ranks also.
Yes, yes,
First
yes.
batch will be, yeah, they'll be getting passed out now. But they won't, they will be getting placed in peace areas first. See,
Mhm.
everything is a trial method which they are following in army presently.
Mhm.
Because ladies का क्या अभी अभी इंडक्शन शुरू हुआ है इन सब चीजों में. So वो
Mhm.
थोड़ा it is like a study which is going on, and for I believe combat role also there will be a holistic study, a time based study will be there where they will see कि कहाँ पे कैसे किस position में place कर सकते हैं ladies को. So I believe बहुत जल्दी ये हो जाएगा, and we'll be seeing ladies in combat role like US Army has, or maybe Israel Army में इन सब में हैं ladies उसमें कॉम्बैट रोल में. तो इंडिया में बहुत जल्दी अभी आ जाएंगे.
हाँ, it
एनी
has
अदर
to
क्वेश्चन?
स्टेप वाइज वो डेफिनेटली है एंड बिकॉज डेफिनेटली अभी कोई भी नई चीज नॉट ओनली लेडीज एनी एनी न्यू थिंग टू गो थ्रू अ स्टेप वाइज प्रोसेस. Alright, ma'am. So, any other question you would like to cover, ma'am? You received any request? I think from my side we have.
I covered these two questions, and basically mainly people are like, I think you have covered it well in all your questions. And then coping up with the training was again a point. How do you cope up inside the academy? And
Yes, ma'am.
what some question is there, what do you think that IAF will gonna place? What do introverts can join army? Yeah, yes, I was an introvert only. They change you. Once you join the academy, they change you thoroughly. You go like this, you come out like this. One last question from NCC entry: girls have 5, boys and 50. Shed some light on this.
Number of vacancies, I think they are asking about, ma'am.
Yeah, they do have number of vacancies. They have number of vacancies.
Like it is equal for both male female vacancies, or it
I
is
think
different?
there is some reservation there. It's not
Okay.
equal. I am not very sure about this question. Maybe I will find out and get back to you. Whosoever is there, you can directly
Mhm.
send me this question on my Instagram. I'll ask somebody, and then I'll clear it. Ma'am, where did you get your training from? OTA is the only academy. And
Okay.
after going the army, can we give SSB exam after joining the army? For
Yes.
lady cadets, as of now, you cannot give your SSB exam, but for gentlemen cadet, it's not like if you join army through rank, then you
Go for.
can apply for ACC entries there. You are eligible. You get 3 chances to clear your SSB.
Mhm.
So how can we prepare for SSB? I have covered this question. Ma'am, tell me some difference you feel now in the army that was not there at your. Yeah, a lot of difference is there. Now people have started accepting lady officers as officers. Initially it was really confusion was there, no, lady or an officer. I have
हाँ,
covered that point also. मैम जब आपसे पूछा गया कि आपको आर्मी ज्वाइन क्यों करना है तो आपने क्या जवाब दिया? ओहो, द मिलियन डॉलर क्वेश्चन है ये. See, I studied in army school throughout, from starting from my first standard to 12th standard, and I was the school captain also. No, I was really fascinated to see the uniform, and my principal was an ex-army officer, and I used to interact with army officers who used to come to my school and inside the camp. I, being from a civilian background, I was really fascinated, and uniform again, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती थी uniform देखनी. Plus, I told you one very this thing is that I was never into a structured kind of working. मुझे वो बिल्कुल 9 to 5 वाला जॉब इतना पसंद नहीं आता है. So if you are somebody who are ready to take hardships, mm, I would like to call it like hardships, or maybe if you are ready to accept that irregular style of working, timings of working, and कुछ ना कुछ challenge होना चाहिए आपकी लाइफ में, plus lifestyle. Army is a way of life, no?
yes.
And वो सब चीजें, if you are ready to take on those things, I believe. Which entry you got recommended, ma'am? NCC entry.
Entry.
I was there in NCC in 2003. I attended All India Thalsani camp in 2003. How did you improve your English, ma'am? My English was really bad. I told you I am from Khalsa College, and Khalsa College, if you are talking in English or in Hindi, it's a sin.
Okay.
वो लोग आपको बिल्कुल बॉयकॉट कर देंगे कि पंजाबी ही बोलो बस. My Punjabi is very good. My Hindi is pretty bad. And my mom is from a convent school. मैंने उनसे English सीखी, and then I used to stand in front of the mirror. I used to talk in English. मैंने अपने husband से English बोलनी सीखी. मैंने वो words पढ़ के और newspaper से पढ़ के. See, I told you, no, when you read a lot, you learn so many things. आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. And English is such language, आप उसको जितना यूज करोगे डेली लाइफ में, आपको उतनी जल्दी वो चीज बोलनी आएगी. मैम, who has been your inspiration throughout your journey? I've covered this. Give some tips on food and nutrition. Food and nutrition. Oh God. See, I follow intermittent fasting. I eat twice a day. So a lot of comments I receive. मैम आप इतने तो एज में लगते नहीं हो. So I keep telling them, see what you are eating. Your lifestyle, it matters a lot. So I'm into intermittent fasting. I eat twice a day. One is at 11 o'clock, and another one is my other meal is at 8 o'clock in the evening. In between, I drink lots of water. I eat green vegetables. I'm very fond of chicken. Chicken के बिना मेरी जिंदगी नहीं चलती है. And I'm not into what you call it, junk food. I don't like burgers and all, but yes, at times I like pizza. Exercising is another thing. मैं हर रोज योगा करती हूँ और मैं कुछ नहीं करती हूँ, बस इतना ही करती हूँ. पानी पियो, अपने थॉट्स को अच्छा रखो, and then you do meditation and all. You see what you are eating. Whenever you eat, just see कि क्या मैं ये खाऊंगी तो इसके साइड इफेक्ट्स क्या होंगे और इसके अच्छे इफेक्ट्स क्या होंगे. वो ऑटोमेटिकली फिर इट बिकम्स योर लाइफस्टाइल एक्चुअली. एंड कार्ब्स मैं अवॉइड करती हूँ थोड़े से. प्रोटीन डाइट ज्यादा खाती हूँ. दिस इज माय डेली रूटीन, ईटिंग एंड एक्सरसाइजिंग. मैम, हाउ टू थिंक थीम्स ऑफ पीपीडीटी? See, it is your daily life only. Whatever you are, I think जो आप लिखते हो पीपीडीटी में या टीएटी में, जो भी आप बनाते हो, इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स यू. जिसको भी आप हीरो बना रहे होते हो ना, वो एक्चुअली आपकी क्वालिटीज को रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा होता है. इट इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग यू बेसिकली. यू आर द हीरो. जो आपकी लाइफ में चीजें हुई हैं वही आप उसमें लिखते हो. सो कुछ सोचना नहीं है, आप बस बेसिक अपने लाइफ के इंसिडेंसेस को लिख सकते हो, बट दे शुड बी पॉजिटिव. your approach towards life should be positive. If you have a positive approach, तो आप सब कुछ वैसे ही सब सही हो जाएगा. आपको OLQ से ज्यादा काम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. See, it is everything starts from home, no? तो आपका सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और ये सारी क्वालिटीज आती हैं. आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ हेल्प करते हो. आप घर में कैसे आप लोगों को, हाउ यू ट्रीट अदर्स, नो, and how much initiative you are taking. It's not that कि लड़ाई लगी है तो मुझे initiative दिखाना है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. छोटी छोटी चीजों में आपके OLQs उभर के निकलते हैं. Ma'am, I am a vegetarian, so can I face any problems if I join armed forces? No, not. There are vegetarians in army. कोई problem नहीं है. RDC is good. Ma'am, any book which you highly recommend to read during this lockdown? My friend suggested me a book called Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. So I'm reading that book. Read that book, is very good.
This is a good book.
Yeah, it's a good book. And I think we are through with the questions, right?
Yes, ma'am, almost.
How to
How to
work
finish?
on this we have covered, ma'am. How many postings you served? No, this is a confidential question. I can't answer this. How many postings you served? हो गया. और क्या है?
I think that's pretty
I
much,
think
ma'am.
हो गया है पूरा, right?
So for Air Force
What
Group
is
wise,
this? Air Force?
Air Force Group wise will take care later on, not part of this session.
Okay, please guide which institute, ma'am. Please tell me how I prepared. Medical, you will have to undergo thorough medical. So you should be shape 1. No disease at all. No problem at all.
Okay, apart
How
from
you
this,
felt when you served your nation for the first few days? I really felt very nice.
hmm.
I felt very proud, you know. I have a
So which,
question, ma'am. Marks really matter. Yeah, they do. I believe you need to score 90, 90, 90 from 3 officers, and then only you get recommended.
ma'am, I
It's
think she's
it's good.
academic marks.
Academics, so they you have to score 60%, otherwise you cannot apply for that. Ma'am,
Yeah,
I was
basically,
weak in academics. Will that affect in SSB? See, academics, SSB is not looking for that you should be very super intelligent or you should be scoring high in your academics and you should be a topper. They are not looking for that. They are looking for the basic personality traits you must be, you should have as your OLQs.
hmm.
SSB सिर्फ वही देखती है. अगर आप में वो चीजें हैं, irrespective, yeah, ma'am, being an NCC, will it provide an edge to appear for CDS entry rather than NCC? Yeah, yes,
Yes, ये तो I
yes,
also just this will definitely if you are coming from this NCC background, so there you have a basic exposure to Fauji life, so the FSF will definitely keep in mind that thing, and this will it will also, I would say that they will expect certain things from you as well. So definitely,
true.
I think.
Ma'am, sports help in joining defense. Yeah, it keeps you physically fit. No, there are only officers in army. Though no ladies or no boys or no girls. So
Yes.
OLQs are the same for everyone. Go through medical, notify. Ma'am, please start your own blog channel. I don't know. I am not a tech savvy. So if you can help me, I would love to start my own channel. Mm, sports. Yeah, you being an officer, we are, master of everything
Hmm.
in army. You need to know everything. Yes, masters is allowed in army. If you are serving in army, it is allowed. Highest rank a girl, now they can go till full colonel. They have got the permission of commanding. So commanding officers are full colonels. This question I am not able to see, ma'am. Convey parents that I want to join army while hailing from a civilian background.
Ma'am, can you please comment on how to convey parents? How to convince? Basically, he's asking about that.
You make them speak to me, I will convince them. Don't worry.
Yeah, the best option.
Does 2 year gap after 12 matter in SSB? Does it matter?
No, ma'am, not 2 years
No, I
gap.
think
Yeah,
it
will
matters,
be.
na?
Yeah, it will be a question for you in interview definitely. But then again, it depends what is the reason behind that. So we have to discuss that. कि क्यों ऐसा हुआ है?
Somebody is asking English is very compulsory. No, English is not very compulsory. It is how you communicate. आपका point of जो आपको convey करना है वो सामने वाले को समझ आना चाहिए. But if you know English, it will add in your SSB. Like it is going to be an addition only. As an
Yes.
officer, you being from the elite class, you are expected few things out of you, and English is one of the things. You have to learn English. यहाँ आपको बाद में सीखनी है. It's better that you learn it पहले. Slip disc will affect in medicals.
Flip disk, yes, it depends. What is because we are not medical professionals, but with my experience, it depends. It gets detected at that time or not, and I don't think इतना मतलब if you go for
नहीं,
talking
बट
about
अगर आप या हाँ जी
army
बोलो.
medicals, it depends what is how much that problem you are having. So it might
हम्म.
get detected, might not. But anyways, when you join, so it might create a problem. So it depends. So you have to take some medical opinion on that.
आई थिंक आपको फिजिकल फिटनेस इसीलिए चाहिए आर्मी में बिकॉज यू हैव टू अंडरगो रिगरस ट्रेनिंग. दैट इज द मेन थिंग. सो इफ यू हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम और आपने नहीं बताया है तो इट यू विल बी लैंडिंग योरसेल्फ इन a great problem when you go inside the academy. Things are really hard. Physically you need to be very strong. So
Okay.
somebody is
And
asking how to confidence के ऊपर कुछ पूछा है किसी ने.
I'll just scroll, ma'am. I'll just see. Uh,
Yeah, sure, Yami. I will help you anytime. Most welcome.
mm, I don't know. I think we missed that comment. It went.
Yeah, it was basically on personality development. Somebody was asking. So personality development may, you need to be really positive. See what your body language is. Body language really plays a great role once you go for SSB. You need to be confident. You need to be, uh, you know, yeah, somebody asked me regarding the confidence part. तो कॉन्फिडेंस में कुछ नहीं है. आपको कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे आता है? यू नीड टू नो योर सब्जेक्ट. पहली चीज, इफ यू हैव नॉलेज अबाउट द थिंग्स, यू एज इट इज, द कॉन्फिडेंस विल शो इन यू. अगर आपको नॉलेज नहीं है तो देन यू विल बी लाइक अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड यू वोंट बी एबल टू आंसर. सो बेस्ट इज डू रीड अ लॉट, know your things, gain the knowledge, and then you go and then you appear for SSB. And it applies in normal life also. And learning from failures, again, I am touching this point. Learning from failures is really important. If you have not failed in your life, you cannot be successful. Ma'am, girls on periods this time, lots of. I just shared a post on periods. There is no excuse for girls when they are on periods. It is a natural process. Every girl has to undergo. घर में भी हम लोग काम करते हैं. आपकी मम्मा आपके लिए खाना बनाना थोड़ा ना बंद कर देती है. So, you need to learn things from your home only. And army में they give you, like, if you are not well, आपको 1 या 2 दिन का sick in quarters करके medical excuse मिल जाता है. Ma'am, can you please share your experience of IELTS? It was good. It was really tough. I told you my father-in-law was there. He trained me, and I was able to clear the SSB. I believe हो गए सारे question. कुछ रह तो नहीं गया है.
So
So last point is like, if in case आपको कहीं failure देखना भी पड़ जाता है ना, that time own your mistake. Don't say कि इस वजह से मेरा रिजेक्शन हो गया या उस वजह से मेरा रिजेक्शन हो गया. See, nobody is perfect. कोई भी इंसान दुनिया में perfect नहीं होता है. So own your mistake, take the responsibility, never indulge yourself in blame game. Never do that. Till the time you don't own up your own mistake, you will never learn from your mistakes, and you will, never be able to move on, and you cannot be successful in life. Communication skills are really important in army. People, they come from various places. When once you are commanding the troops, उनमें से आधों को इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, किसी किसी को लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम भी होता है. तो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, दे रियली प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल. हाउ यू कन्वे योरसेल्फ, हाउ यू कन्विंस अदर्स, दैट यू शुड नो.
as
Sorry, I
Sumit,
can't share this detail of my postings. I'm so sorry.
policy cannot be discussed.
Yeah, he's asking again and again, no? I
Yes.
can't.
So Sumit, basically, this we cannot tell, and anyways, it is of no concern.
Yeah.
It would, help you in any way. So Okay, so
Which
coaching.
job field is most beneficial after serving in army? See, it depends. If you are engineer, there are a lot of jobs for you. If you are management graduate, it's a lot of jobs for you. Otherwise, security is one of the good fields in which you can work. Being an ex-army officer, I worked with security. Then logistics is one. Most of the lady officers, they work with logistics. Coaching is not very compulsory. It is the amount of time you give. And now, too, there are so many online sites and so many things are there. So it is not very much required. You go on ground and, say us about NCC Special Entry Scheme. It's already covered. You only have to appear for the SSB.
T certificate is necessary. Yes,
Yeah.
you should be certificate holder.
How are you treating quarantine? What's your routine? I keep posting my routine on Instagram. I am very active on Instagram. Morning, I get up at 6 o'clock, and then I do Surya Namaskar, and then I do yoga, and then I do my puja and all. I do puja every day. I've just learned Sahaj Yoga. Um, I do Sahaj Yoga, and then I study, and then I look after my son. I play with him. I make him study. We do activities together. I keep posting them on Instagram,
Mm-hmm.
and I read books. I watch Netflix. Money
Mm.
Heist. अभी मैं presently I'm watching Money Heist. मेरा वो खत्म नहीं हो पा रहा है. I am fond of watching movies also, so I'll be watching a movie today. Yeah, yeah, 157 centimeter is pretty okay height, I believe.
Yes, yes.
It's good height. Sumit Verma. Okay. So this is my routine in quarantine. I hope everybody is following quarantine and not going out. Please stay safe, stay home. This is, ये वैसा वाला दुश्मन नहीं है जिसको सामने से जाके फाइट करना है. इससे हमें छुप के ही फाइट करना पड़ेगा. Ma'am, I love to see your post. It's very encouraging. Thank you so much. Sarvinder Kaur. Thank you so much.
And graduate
Which
get
job
job.
a science graduate gets serving in army? A lot of things. ASC वगैरह में जा सकते हो आप. They have food laboratories and all.
Mm.
My experience serving in army was too good. I most of the time I was with AMU. AMU is marksman unit. We call it like I was a sniper shooter when I was in the army. So most of the time, being a youngster, I was out from my unit only. So I represented my command, and I represented Indian Army for sniper shooting. I was selected for Korea, but something happened in my family, so I could not go there.
Really good.
ये मुझे नहीं पता है. Lockdown 30% officer and 50% JCOs. I am not sure about this. Thank you so much. You all are inspiration to me. I learn, things from everyone. I learned so many things from my 5-year-old also. And today it's been a very learning experience for me also. And thank you so much uh, to all of you.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I think because almost questions are covered only, so we'll wind it up here, and maybe we'll conduct another session also around the line, so we can anyways take more questions and other things. Further sessions will be based on qualities and everything. So, on behalf of all the viewers, ma'am, I would like to thank you for your time, and it was like a very great session. Everyone is happy. A lot of things people have learned, and that's it, ma'am. So, I think it was a good session.
Thank you so much. And I really appreciate you all for taking out time for me and, asking me so many questions. This session has really enhanced my knowledge also and my confidence also. All thanks to you for conducting this video and
My
going
pleasure.
live with me. And yeah, we will look forward for, other sessions also in future. So, and
Definitely.
yeah, thank you so much once again. And thank you so much. See you again. Have a nice day and stay safe, stay home.
All right, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Signing off now.
Chalo. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. All right, guys. So it was a very nice session. Many questions were covered. Girls are coming in territorial army or not? Yes, girls have started coming. The recent territorial army recruitment for officer entry, it was for girls as well. So girls have started coming in territorial army. Okay, friends. So we'll do one thing. We'll just wind it up here. It has been a long session and a lot of questions were covered. Down the line also we'll have many other sessions and doubts related specific to SSB and other things that will be taken care of. All right. So thank you, Jane, and take care.